Hello, it is your girl Vanessa and you're watching Necessary Dishes, and today I'm just gonna show you guys a cute little real quick DIY for a romantic little setup here on a budget. I got all this stuff from the dollar store. I got these red gems. What is this? This is some LED light strings that are hearts. Some glass beads. These I already have. They're just some tea candles, and these are actually really cute. I never seen these there before. They're wine glasses, but they can also pair as some candle holders too. So that's what I'm gonna use for that. All right, I'll show you how I set it up. First, take these beads out of here. I'm not gonna use this whole thing. Probably like a fourth of it on each one. Put some in there. This is really, I'm just kind of like, I don't even know exactly what I'm doing. I'm going with the flow with this. So if I change up on you guys, I apologize. I'm just wigging it. I wig through life. Alright. Careful, there is some staples in here. Oh, these are very pretty. Wow. Throw a few in there. Oh, it's so cute. Alright, what I'm going to do is, once that's in there, set those in there and make sure they're as level as you can. It's kind of hard to do. Kind of pull it by the wick and make sure that, yep, perfect. That's in there like that. What that's going to do is that's going to reflect off the glass and off the gems too. It's going to make it really pretty. And then with the rest of them, I'm just going to like kind of just randomly place them around. See if I can get it focused. Oh, it's perfect. Yeah, you can see. Sorry, my kiddos are home and they are loud like always, so please don't mind them. They're just doing what they do normally. And I'm going to do the same here too. Alright, and now I'm going to open up the LEDs. Alright, here. Hopefully they work. Oh, I need batteries. Okay, let me grab some batteries, you guys, and I will be right back. Alright, I apologize. I had to go grab some batteries. Luckily I had some, and also luckily I had a little screwdriver too. Those both are also sold at the dollar store. So this is looking like a $7 project, huh? But what I'm going to do with this is totally optional because you're going to have the light reflecting from the candles, but this is just optional, you know, it's just an extra effect. And honestly, with this thing being so bulky, this is probably a good thing to do to put in like a bigger vase and have like a bunch of these in there and have these like, okay, have this in the bottom and fill the rest of them up surrounding it with the beads. And maybe I'll show you guys that too. And then put this kind of in between the beads in a vase before you put your flowers in there. Or just by itself. But for now, I'm just going to show you guys what I plan on doing with this. And you want to show, or maybe hide the battery pack behind one of the candles. So you'll have it looking like, let me see, from your guys' end. Yeah, kind of like that. That looks kind of tacky, I'll be honest. I'm going to light the candles and see how they look like by themselves. And then I'm also going to show you what it looks like with the lights. Alright, so that's what it looks like with the candles lit. Very beautiful. Let me actually turn the light off so you guys can get a better view. See how beautiful that is? See how beautiful that is? That's so beautiful. And you can do it, I mean, so many ways. You can get a cute little tray if you want, just have it just on the tray. Or you can maybe get some different type of candles, different type of candle holders. So let me show you guys what this looks like with the lights. kid approved, you guys. So that's super cute, right? You like that? Is that a cute surprise?
It's your birthday.
Oh, not necessarily birthday. Isn't that cute? That's cute, actually. In the dark, you can't really see the battery pack either.
Hey,
So that's perfect.
Wow.
So yeah, that's actually really cute. And I love how it reflects off of the beads and the gems. So there you go. I'm gonna take it.
Cool.
How cute is that, you guys?
There's a fly.
So I'll show you guys actually the after, what it looks like once I set the table up completely. You have another option there. There you go. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. Sorry, there's no food involved in this video. I have my cute little cookies I made yesterday though. So that is perfect for a display item. So I have my cookies there. How cute is that? Isn't that cute? Perfect little display item. So yeah, just like that's pretty much your go-to. I have a marsala video from 2 weeks before or a week before. Pretty romantic dish. And then you have the cookies I made yesterday, and then you have your place setting and your table ideas here to put in the middle of your table. And this. So actually, what I ended up doing was I put the battery pack and the lights at the very bottom. Then I put the glass so that I don't have to worry about anything catching on fire. So that's really cute too. I had a couple of tea lights around the house. So yeah, I mean, and you can also buy those at the dollar store as well. I think they came in 16 for $1. So there you go. Thanks you guys so much for watching. Like I said before in my very first video, I'm not always going to be just making dishes. I'm going to have ideas like this. I hope you guys enjoy. Look at that battery pack right there. You definitely want to turn that around. Or if it's wide enough, just kind of set that flat on the bottom. But yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post. And peace out.